Money, 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 money. Money. All right, so today we're going to talk about how you can build an app for your chamber. Okay, so so for a chamber, usually these are chamber of commerce. These are like cities or towns or business corridors where you have a bunch of businesses coming together and they form a chamber. A chamber, you can be able to promote other businesses in the chamber within the app. Direct advertising, you can be able to have your blogs, your contact information. You can have ease access to kind of charts and things like that, helping the chamber to market itself together with its members. You can make members directory, quick and easy for people to get in and get information. Because nowadays, if you go to a chamber website, it's you have to really search and find things, like it's really hard, right? So if you have an app, make it easy for people to reach out to people, meet new people, and things like that. Um, as we go through this, you'll see we have a sample app. So you click on Get Started, and then you'll see Chamber. So we only have one for now. All right. So right now, this is the live app that we just did. Um, so as you can see, you can know about them. You can say meet us, community news, community events. You can have the business directory. Just a simple one, nothing complex. Helps grow the chamber, people to access information quickly, and the power of push notification, as I always say, to promote other businesses. And you can, as you have business directory, you can also create a business map, right? So let me check. Let's check this one. This one, yeah. So this one is just like a listing, but we can also do like a directory, like with a map, right? So with all the location of the businesses. All right. So when you are ready, just click on start. So you can either do this or start from scratch. Put the app name. You can select the industry. Just select business for this one. I don't think there will be any specific different one. Put your first name, website, email, put your password, and agree to the terms. And you get started, and you're off to the rest of it. All right, so it should take you to a page like this. So this is the app dashboard. Right now, you can see you can have all the information here. How you can get started, it's a short video, plugin tutorials, platform tutorials, product updates whenever we are working on new updates to help you with the app. Um, so all that information will be here. The app will be on the side here as you want to develop. As you develop, you can be able to see what's going on the side. And this preview, I love this one. Whenever you have people that would like to see what's going on with the app, you just put their phone number, send them the link, or send yourself the link, and then you send them the link if you have a mass people you're sending it to, instead of putting the phone number one by one. Um, and then the other portion I would like to share is the learn more. So on this portion, you can be able to build your app. As you can see, we have so much stuff here, how to build your app. You can do like core features. You can be able to see how you can design and things like that. All those tabs that we'll go through them. So that's where you go. So learn at DIYapps.ca. The other piece will be the upgrade. So whenever if you wanna publish the app, you have to upgrade it. So you have to upgrade. Pick one of the plans and be able to upgrade. Use our you have the 21 days free trial, and then when you're ready to publish it, you can use DIY apps 100 gives you $100 off for 6 months. Kind of it helps you with the financing and things like that before you just get the app launch, because it's a premium platform and it will help you get do a lot of things with ease. The other piece I would like to share is the language. Let's say you're somewhere in a different country and English is not your first language. You can be able to change that. This won't change the app, it will change only the platform language. All right, so first thing first, we go to the home screen. So as you can see, the home screen is nice and simple, nothing complex. We don't have anything here. We can add if you want. So DIYapps.ca chambers. As you can see, it shows there, and then we can do center it, right? So that's how beautiful and easy you can be able to develop this app. All right, so we don't really need that. And then you can see here, you can add your features. Um, so, uh, so this particular home screen is a folder home screen, so nothing fancy like the other ones we have seen with the other trainings. So the first few tabs, the top tabs here, you can see these are standard. You'll see them on all the features. Features, plugins, the same thing. Just use them interchangeably. Um, and you can also have two or more tabs here to be able to help depending on the feature yourself, the feature that you're using. Yeah, and then for the upgrade, whichever plan you pick will have a number of um, features. So some features will be premium, some will be standard, and some will be enterprise. So depending on which plan you have access to different features. The design, this is how you want the to look like. So right now, I think they picked so it will show the one that's active right now. So it's this one. So if you want to change it, we can change it to that one. We don't like that one. We don't like that one. Let's just put it back to where it was. And then security. So this is where you can, if you want people to log to access a screen, they have to log in. So let's say you have your members, and then you have a private section that only members can access. So you can do the required login. And then if you want to double it down and they need specific login, specific access, so you can do a tags. So user tags where you can assign different user tags, and you can be able to lock it down way further. So people with different user tags can be able to access that screen. Tagging, as we talked about. So each screen you can have a tag. So whenever people visit the screens, you can use that information to send out push notification to those specific users, or use that information to do something creative, offering something to those people who visit that screen. Purchases. So this is the in-app purchase, where you can be able to maybe set the screen and have an in-app purchase for that screen. Analytics, so this is how many people kind of view the screen, your top users who are visiting it more often, and details. And definitely, depending on your plan, you can be able to access the details and things like that. And then the help, this will give you a help on the particular feature that you are in, and then it will just go straight to that page. Yeah. Yeah, so the app is nice and neat. It's a really simple app. It's not that complex. So my features would be all the features that are being used on the app. As you can see, it's a simple app, nothing complex. Just using like less than even 10 features. And you can see how beautiful the app is, anyways. And then you have the marketplace. So the marketplace, this is where you grab you can grab any feature that you like, the plugin that you like. So as we were talking about the location, so you can use this because this one has a map feature. Yeah, so it has a map feature that you can be able to use. And then the side menu. So this is the side menu of the app. So this part here, you can also add new or use existing features, right? So this helps if you have a lot of buttons on your main screen, your home screen, you can move some of them to your side menu so that you can be able to balance things out, right? So you can only have, maybe you can have the main ones that you want on the home screen, and then move the rest to the other side of the side menu. Nav bar. So nav bar will be the bottom part here. As I turn it on, you'll see it will be down here. So let's add one thing. Let's do meeting. All right, and then Let's do home. Let's clear us out. Yeah. So it just fix the just fix the image. So all right. So let's turn it off. And then we have intro screens. So intro screens will be before someone gets to the home screen, you have a couple intro screens that help people to get into the app. Just preparing them with information and letting them know what the app is all about before they use the app. All right. So on the design side of things, the branding, depending on your chamber or your local business association, you can do different amazing things. As you can see, you can up your app logo, change your name here, app name, and then you have your loading screen. You can change your fonts. This is your color. This is your font, and then you can change your font colors and your app colors to match your branding that you have. All right, and then media. So this is where all the images that you're using on your app, they will all reside here. So there's one spot you can find everything. Security. This is your login screen. Beautiful. It's a beautiful login screen. As you can see, you can change. You can add different login styles. Apple, Facebook, depending on whichever login that you want people to use. Give them options. Customize. This is, let's say you have specific data points that you like to collect when people are signing up. So this is where you can set it up. So when people are signing up, you can be able to show and collect some data to help you with your marketing or help you kind of serve them better. And then the language just will be just the languages of the buttons and things like that. And then terms and conditions. Purchases, credit system. So these are the in-app purchases that you'll have, and the credit system. Maybe you have a game on the app where every person visiting different businesses, they get some credit and things like that, and accumulate. I just make it gamify somehow. Notifications. So this is my best part. So notification is very nice to use. You can always use it to market your products, market your business members for the association. You can also do group notifications. As you remember, I talked about the user tags. So you can be able to use those to market and push notification, send out push notification to those specific users. You can also schedule them if you want them to go on out for a later date. You can do geofence notifications, where just put a fence, and anyone who enters that fence, they get a notification. And then you have your analytics. So whenever someone you send out the push notifications, it will give you analytics of how many push notifications were sent out, how many people received it, how many people opened it, and how many people clicked on the action if you had an action set up on the notification itself. And then next part will be your user management. So you can this is where you can manage your users, right? So all your users will be residing here. You can also manage your user tags. You can do your admin roles here. Use your user profile languages. And then you have your abuse report. So anyone who's reported being abusive, you're able to get it here, do your investigations. You can either ban them, delete them, and also pretty much block them from the platform. And then analytics, this will give you an idea of how many people downloaded the app and how many users. Users usually, this will be the people who have signed up or have signing in on the platform on the app. And then advanced, so pretty much advanced. You won't be needing much of this, but like the app publishing info definitely before it will guide you on how to publish your app. App marketing, app shares, integrations, and account, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so that was a quick overview. Just wanted to make this video short so that it's pretty much showing you what you can do. And then once you're getting in there and you need help, you can always email us at hello@DIYapps.ca, and we're able to help you out and able to guide you and see how best we can help you. Um, Other than that, I'm hoping that will be beneficial for the chambers. At least get them ideas on how they can improve their membership and get people engaged with the chamber of commerce. All right. Okay. So I don't have much. That was pretty much it. I want to say thank you. Adios.